A day in a life as a CAPSU student. So for today's vlog, I have an PE practice with Shane and we're going to school. For the record, the PE exercise is for our final exam in Ma'am Izzy's class. So we need to practice really hard for that. So before that, let's tackle about self-care. For me, self-care is about taking care of yourself, like getting a bath, picking your ears, cleaning your hair, and all that stuff is very necessary to take care of yourself because you are the only one that can understand fully yourself. And there are saying about you can't love another if you can't love yourself, and I totally agree with that. So self-care is basically taking care of yourself mentally, physically, and morally. Yun lang, thank you. So ayun na nga, nakababa na siya. Papasok na siya ng school and yeah. Magkano po dito? So ayun na nga, nakapasok na siya and sabi niya nagpaalam siya na magsi-CR o makit siya ng third floor kasi magbablog si Kim. And look at the view, diba? Oh, look, it's Kabsu. What are you waiting for? Enroll. Ay, nag-endorse. Oh, yan oh. Panis. Oh, oh. Saan ka dyan? Oh. Hey, oh. Minabaan pa yung ano. Oh, panis. Kabsu. The view. Yung next video yung sayaw. Oh yan, may pasabog oh. Twirl, oh, panis, nag-twirl. Oh, umikot. Umikot, oh, umikot ulit. Oh, 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 oh. Go, go. Oh, panis, oh, makdo. Oh, tumayo pa. Oh, oh. Dance, dance, oh, dance. Oh, panis. Oh, 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 oh. Umikot, umikot na naman. Oh, nagbaw. Tapos, uwi na po kami.
Hala, nagbablog siya.
Bakit? Uwi na ako. Uwi na.
Madalian yun. Madalian.
Kung ba madali gagala pa. Uy, tabi, tabi, tabi. Gagala pa tayo. Gagala pa ako.
Saan ka pupunta?
Robinson.
Robinson Imus.
Hmm.
Ay, malapit ka na lang dun eh.
Siyempre.
Kaya yung walking.
Lakad ko yun.
Nakawin natin, papunta doon? Hey, hindi.
Ay, gago, wag yun. Ayoko mag...
Gagawin yung sa Patindig malapit lang eh. Unahan na lang yun.
Oo, malapit lang. Nilalakad ko yun. Lalakad daw pa uwi para mahaba vlog ko. Ay!
Sige, gawin mo. Nasagot mo na yung 3 tanong.
Bakit? Di ba voice over ko yung sagot?
Ang pangat talaga pag naka-voice over eh, no? Diba yung voice na nalabas kasi sa... Iaano ko nga yun, like, inasak ko yung voice ko.
Hello! Ako
Okay, mas mabuhay pa boses mo pag gusto.
Binabackstab ako ng dalawa sa likod. Ayan o. So while I'm at Robinson, let's answer the question, what have I thought about myself recently? So, for me, I'm not gaining any weight. I'm getting thinner. And I have a breakout, a little. Yes. And I have a flaw in my teeth. I have insecurities, but I know my worth. And it's definitely worth something. You can't hurt me by my insecurities, but yeah, I know my worth. Alam ko yung halaga ko, kaya naintindihan ko kung sino. At this point, naghahanap ako sa National Bookstore na golden file, but unfortunately, wala na. Lumapit ako ng bookstore. Still, no golden foil has been found. Still, God, what is it? What happened? Yan, outfit check. Manes. Sino ka dyan? Ayan. So yun na nga, lumabas na ako. Kita niyo, oh, panis. Kita niyo yung pulbo? Kita niyo yung pulbo? Kita ko. Ayan, oh. Oh, buka niya, oh, panis. Meron pa sa noo, di niyo pa kita yan. Oh. Meron pa sa kabila. Oh, kanasan. Kanasan. Oh. Yung sa noo. Ayan. Okay na, okay na. Dali ka na umuwi na. So, before we end the vlog, let's answer the last question. When was the last time you took care of yourself and why? Personally, right now, I'm not in a state of present